Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at an amazing arbitrage that we can run on bybit and keep making a lot of profit. Okay, so all you just need to do, buy low on spot and sell high on peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so what I want us to buy here today is USDC. We're going to go into concentrate on unfluctuated coin, which is USDC. Okay, so we are going to buy USDC at 1.00007 cents, $1 $0.1 0.0006 or 7 cents, and sell it at 1.05. That sound interesting, right? So if this is your first time coming across to this very channel, please subscribe. And if you are a returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to this very amazing channel, please do, so that you can keep enjoying a lot more that will be coming from this very channel. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a bybit account, navigate yourself to your sports plus P2P transactions. Okay, so as I said, we are going to base on USDC. Okay, but before we proceed anything here, I'd like us to go to peer-to-peer transactions, since we have seen the rate of USDC. Since we have seen the rate of USDC in what is it called? The rate of USDC in spot. So let's go to P2P and see the rate of USDC over there, so that we can see the profit potentials that we stand to make. Okay, so all you just need to do, go to peer-to-peer transaction, click on P2P trading. So if you click on P2P trading, all you just need to do is choose USDC, and the currency you should be using is world currency. Okay, international currency. I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I have changed the NGN to USDC. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click on checkout for sale. So in the sale point, you're going to go into sell it here at 1.05 USDT. Okay, so just write it this down, 1.05, and let's see what we stand to make. So let's go back to spot quickly, and let me show you what we're going to be doing here. So click on USDC. If you click on USDC, that's the volume we're going to buy here. Wow, it's below here. So we're going to buy the USDC here, and it's sweet when you have a huge capital. Okay, it's very sweet when you have a huge capital. Okay, so all you just need to do over here, all you just need to do over here is to buy for, let's say, 500 USD. If you buy for 500 USD, what you're going to get is 4.99.65. Okay, because of the a little addition that's here. So if you have a 499.65, okay, if you have 499.65, you buy it at 1.0007, you're going to sell it at 1.05. Let's see profit potential we stand to make. So write this down, 499.65. Let me go to my calculator. Okay, 499.65, 499.65. Okay, if this 499.65 is what I got for buying 500 USDC, okay, then let me go to peer-to-peer transaction and see what is going to be there. So talking about the peer-to-peer transactions, talking about the peer-to-peer transactions, click more, click more, go to peer-to-peer transactions. If you go to peer-to-peer transaction, don't forget, choose sell, choose USDC. Okay, wow. So what we stand to sell from this USDC, if you click on sell, input that very important, and everything will show it up to you. Make sure you add your payment method, because I've dropped some video earlier or couple of weeks ago that shows how to add payment method on Bybit. Okay, so I will drop the link at the description section so that you can just watch again if you do not know how to add payment method. So what do I have to sell? 499.6 what? 0.65. Okay, 499.1.65. 0.65. So the volume is not currently showing here because I do not have the actual volume here. Bybit doesn't show that quickly, and most of my money are already on the trading platform. So I will go back to spot to show you what we are going to make there. Okay, 499.65, right? Okay, let me go back to spot. Okay, let me go back to spot. Click on USDC. Click on sell. Don't forget, always click on sell. Bring this volume to what we have over there, 5, right? Okay, let's put the quantity of this and see what we stand to make. 499.65. Wow, wow. 499.65. You can see this is a very huge profit. This is a very, very huge profit. Okay, so you can as well try it on other currency, NGN, and see what you stand to make. But if you are trying to try it on USDT, this is what we're making. Okay, so imagine you are making 24 USDT extra. Wow, let's say even 25 because it's some cents drop there, and okay, let's just say 24.6. Okay, let's just say 24.6. Wow, you can see this is a very huge profit. This is a very huge profit. I repeat again. Okay, so all you just need to do, you can just quickly take up this chance, pick up this opportunity. This opportunity might not always be here. Okay, but the moment you see it, give it a look and jump into the market and see what you really need to make. Okay, so there are a lot of kind of profits to make here. All you just need to do is to make sure you have some rational profit, reasonable capital, and start making money for yourself. Okay, you can see start to make 24.6. Let's go there. Okay, and add now this minus 5 524.6. You see, we have 24.9 instead of 25. Okay, as when we make this 25 now, let's say we do this time is let's say 5 a day. It's 125 converted to it's 125 USDT. Okay, if you are doing it from Nigeria, 105 times 1000, imagine you know how much you get. 125 times 1350 converted to 300, that's 160,000 naira just per single transaction. Imagine this is a very high profit. This is a very huge profit. You understand? Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Bybit account and start doing this. Okay, buy low and sell high. Okay, so keep enjoying, keep enjoying, keep enjoying. If you do have any question, if there's anything at all you do not understand on this arbitrage, please do well to put me through. Drop it at the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP now as well, guide you on how you can make this profit for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me from the beginning to the end of this video. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.